My name is Nhadau and I'm curator of manuscripts here at the National Library, one of the most famous collections in the National Library itself of everything from the Black Book of Carmarthen right up to the treasures of Dylan Thomas in the 20th century manuscript collection. I have one example alone from our collections today. This is the first manuscript, the earliest manuscript of what became later known as the Welsh national anthem. This is Hen Wlad fy Nhadau, the land of my fathers, written in January 1856. How do we know? Well, the date has been written here by the composer, a man called James, who was an innkeeper and a harpist, but who also was a vivid musician. In partnership with his father, Evan James, the author of the words, he created this wonderful song in 3 verses, which became popular in its time on the Eisteddfod stage before being published and then gradually, over time, turning into our national anthem. This is like archaeology. We've dug down into the past, into the 1850s, and this is the earliest version, the first appearance of that wonderful tune, which everybody knows, but here it appears for the first time before it hits the international stage. Hen Wlad fy Nhadau in the raw, primitive version.